Alright, this is a game called Sideline Soccer. It is for grades 6 through 9. You will need soccer balls, jerseys, and a deck of playing cards. This is an interdisciplinary soccer lesson that incorporates the skills of soccer as well as mixing in some basic math as well as some fitness components. So the students are going to be divided up into two groups. You could divide them up into four groups if you have a large class, and each group will need to wear jerseys. So I have them separated into four groups here just to give you the idea of what it would look like. Now within each group, the students will be numbered off. Again, depending on the size of the class and the groups, they could be numbered off 1 through 3 or 1 through 4, how many ever there is. And each group will line up on their sideline as shown here. And the teacher will call out a group number, say the number ones, and then all of the number ones will go into the center of the court to play. And the rest of the group that are on the sidelines will spread out, and they are now the goalies. So all of the number ones will be trying to score on another group's sideline. And once it crosses the line there, that would be marked off as a point. So let's say this student right here kicks it and scores. That would be the green team's point, and then they would go back to their sidelines, and the teacher would call out another number. And the game is stopped after every time a goal is either scored or a goal is blocked, since we are trying to work on soccer skills here. So once this happens, the teams will return to their groups, and this is how they gain points or a playing card. So every time a goal is blocked, that team that blocked the goal will get a playing card, and then every time a goal is scored, the team that scored will get a playing card. And after each group has had a chance to go, the playing cards will be added up, and the groups that have, or the group that has the highest point value in cards will be the winners. And then the way to incorporate fitness into this would be that each suit of the playing cards would represent an exercise, and then the point values would represent the number of reps that they would have to do of those. So let's just say that the hearts are jumping jacks, spades are push-ups, diamonds are crunches, and the clubs is running a lap around the gym. So let's say that the winning team had a 2 of hearts and a 3 of hearts. That would be 5 jumping jacks. 2 of spades, 8 of spades. That would be 10 push-ups, and then they had a 5 of clubs, which would be 5 laps around the gym. So the group that won, the other teams would have to do those exercises before the next game began. Or if you wanted to, a way to incorporate everybody into doing the exercise, each group could gather their cards at the end of the game and just pass them off to the group that's standing on their right, and then that group would have to do those exercises.